My name is Muhammad Taufik bin Muhammad Fauzi. I am the team leader and the graphic designer in this team. As the team leader, I have to make sure that the team members are doing their job and also motivate the team to make sure that they can overcome their problems. And as a graphic designer, I have to create folio, banner, logo and other things that matter.
My name is Faiz Kuzaimi bin Faizal. I am the resource and marketing manager in this team. As a resource and marketing manager, I have to make sure that the team has enough money to buy the cars, equipment, shirt and also for the team needs.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Zukrafi. I am the design engineer in this team. As a design engineer, I have to design the best car for the team. I have to make sure not to break any technical rules in creating the car.
My name is Muhammad Nur Hakimi bin Muhammad Isan. I am the manufacturing engineer in this team. As a manufacturing engineer, I have to carry out the whole process in creating the car.
The concept we use for the car are F-15 Eagle and Great White Shark. We also use the aerofoil and underbody airflow.
The reason we use F-15 Eagle concept as our car is because it has very good aerodynamic shape. But for our car, we didn't take the entire jet for our car. We use the jet's nose cone as our car's body, and it has a really good airflow and has very less drag. With its good airflow on the nose cone, the jet could reach 3017 km per hour.
We use the Great White Shark as our car is because the good flow of its body. Its body is very big and still can swim at 40 km per hour. Because of its good flow, so we use the flow of its upper body for our car nose cone. With this concept, we could decrease the drag so that it can maintain its speed. We use the aerofoil concept so that the car has downforce and less drag. Every car needs to have downforce to keep its stability. So, we use the aerofoil concept for the front wing and rear wing as it is important for car to have downforce.
The underbody airflow is one of the important things in the car. It's because it affects substantially the speed of the car, as we can decrease very much drag by not letting the high pressure air touch the rear wheels and also decrease drag to other parts too. So the underbody airflow is a very important concept to us. We have 3 models for our car. Each has different velocity, drag coefficient and downforce coefficient. The first model has a bad front wing and rear wing. The car has no downforce and has very much drag. The air also rushes through the rear wheels.
The second model also has a bad front wing and rear wing, but less drag than the first model. The car also still doesn't have downforce. The air still rushes through the rear wheels.
For the third model, University Malaysia Pahang have helped us with our front wing and rear wing. They also add the underbody airflow. After improving the car day by day, the car now has downforce and lower drag force. We'll be using the third model as our car. This is our first analysis. This is our second analysis. And this is our third analysis.
SMA and Ma'arif has sponsored us transportation, food and a place for us to do our work. Seri Idola Beauty has sponsored us RM1,000. University Malaysia Pahang has sponsored us with improving the car and painting the car.
Working as a team, Atom aims to complete all stages of work as efficient and as systematic as possible. We learn to cooperate with each other and respect each other's as a role in a team. To make all the work done smoothly, Tom has taken a step to organize the team members' work. The timeline will guide us in organizing our work efficiently. Based on the timeline, the work is equally divided among team members and was prosecuted agreeably. As a graphic designer, I had encountered many problems. Some of the problems are lack of time. I have to organize my time because I have to do homework and study for examination. But at the same time, I have to create volume. So I have make a timetable so I can organize my time properly. Second is lack of knowledge about Photoshop. I have to learn Photoshop so that I can make the team's folio, logo and others. But I was able to learn it just in time and was able to create folio and others.
As a resource and marketing manager, I also had problems while working. Some of the problems are not enough money. We had to get money so that we can buy the team needs. But I was able to pull it off by finding sponsor and sell things. But the problem of finding sponsor is no response from sponsor. I have tried many times calling the same people, but they doesn't give response. Luckily, there are still some people that are willing to help us.